My name's Craig Turner. I'm the general manager of TP Trucking here in Central Point, Oregon, and I've been here about 4 years. Our relationship with Pape has been extremely beneficial, I think, to both parties. What started out as a business relationship has turned into a partnership. Since I've been here, we've bought somewhere close to 80 trucks from them in that time. So they do a great job for us. They get us the trucks when we need them. They get on repairs, any sort of breakdowns, they're there for us. We have the white glove treatment that they offer, which gets our trucks, if they're on the road, into their shops quickly and efficiently and get them back on the road so they can keep trucking.
Scott Kimmons, and I'm the maintenance manager here at TP Trucking. We used to have other brand trucks in our fleet, but we went to Kenworth because we believe the Kenworth is a good value and we think it attracts drivers. It's well known in the industry. We aren't any different than anybody else in the trucking industry. Drivers are really tough to come by, and any driver that you can attract is a bonus. And once you get a driver, you want to be able to hang on to them. Kenworth definitely helps us retain drivers. They have a good working relationship with Timber Products, both on a personal and business level, so they were a good fit for our company.